Hi there! Kamusta kaibigan? Sa video na to, we will talk about unleashing your creativity and unique perspective. Let's go! Kamusta kaibigan? Welcome back to our channel where we inspire and empower you to be the best version of yourselves. Kung first time ka dito, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon para lagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong videos. At para sa mga suki na, welcome back! Ngayon, we will talk about a very important topic, tapping into your creativity and unique perspective. Feeling stuck, parang paulit-ulit na lang ang ginagawa mo. Wala ka bang ganang pumasok sa trabaho at parang routine na lang lahat. Yan ang reality ng marami ngayon. But what if I told you that you have untapped creativity and the unique perspective that can transform your life and career? Exciting, di ba? Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the first point. Bakit nga ba importante ang tapping into our creativity and unique perspective? Ang creativity at unique perspective mo ay napakahalaga dahil ito ang nagbibigay sa iyo ng edge. In a world full of competition, ang pagiging creative at having a unique perspective will set you apart. Imagine, you can bring fresh ideas to the table, solve problems in innovative ways, and even create new opportunities not just for yourself but also for your team and company. Plus, tapping into your creativity can bring a sense of fulfillment and joy sa ginagawa mo. Di ba? Ang sarap sa pakiramdam ng may passion sa trabaho. Let's break it down further. Think about it this way. If you're just going through the motions every day, you're not only missing out opportunities for personal growth, but you're also not giving your best to the world. Your creativity is a gift that can lead to innovation, change, and progress. Kaya napaka-importante na iharness mo ito. How can I tap into our creativity and unique perspective? Paano nga ba? Sometimes, it's not easy to tap into your creativity, lalo na kung sanay ka na sa routine at deadlines. Worry, dahil I'm here to guide you. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Self-reflection and awareness. First, kailangan mo munang kilalanin ng sarili mo. Ask yourself, ano ba ang mga interest ko? Saan ba ako passionate? Ano ang mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa akin? Reflecting on these questions can help you understand your unique strength and passion. Mag-journal ka. Write down your thoughts, your dreams, and your goals. Journaling helps in clarifying your mind and discovering what truly matters to you. Here are some journal prompts that you get started. What makes me lose track of time? What do I love to do as a child? What would I do if I knew I couldn't fail? Answer these questions honestly and you'll start to see patterns in your interests and passions. Step 2. Break the routine. Kung lagi ka na lang sumusunod sa schedule at paulit-ulit ng trabaho, it's time to shake things up, try new things, learn new skills, and expose yourself to different environments. Minsan, ang creativity lumalabas kapag lumalayo tayo sa comfort zone. So be brave and explore. Breaking the routine doesn't have to be drastic. Simple changes like taking a different route to work, trying a new hobby, or even rearranging your workspace can stimulate your creativity. Step 3. Collaborate and network. Connect with like-minded individuals. Collaboration can spark new ideas and offer different perspectives. Attend workshops, seminars, or join online communities. Learning from others and sharing your own experiences can ignite your creativity. Don't underestimate the power of a good conversation. Sometimes, talking to others about their experiences can give you fresh insights and ideas. Step 4. Embrace failure. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a part of the creative process. It's through failures that we learn and improve. Kung may project kang hindi nag-work out, that's okay. Learn from it and keep going. Remember, every failure is a step closer to success. I remember this one time. I had an idea for a project that I thought was guaranteed. Pero guess what? It failed. But instead of giving up, I analyzed what went wrong, made adjustments, and tried again. Eventually, it became one of my most successful projects. Kaya, don't be discouraged by failures. Practice mindfulness and give yourself time to rest. A cluttered mind can't creative. Take breaks, meditate, or simply spend time in nature. A well-rested mind is a creative mind. Mindfulness can help you stay present and focused, making it easier to access your creative side. Try incorporating simple mindfulness practice into your daily routine. Step 6. Continuously learning. Never stop learning. Creativity thrives on new knowledge and experiences. Read books, watch documentaries, take online courses. The more you know, the more creative connections you can make. Remember, learning doesn't stop from school. Make it a habit to continuously seek out new information and skills. Step 7. Create a creative environment. Your environment plays a big role in your creativity. Create a space that inspires you. Surround yourself with things that motivate you, like art, books, or even plants. A clutter-free, inspiring environment can do wonders for your creativity. Make your space of reflection of what inspires you. Step 8. Set aside time for creativity. Let's set aside dedicated time for creative activities. Whether it's 30 minutes a day or a few hours a week, make sure you have time to focus on creative projects without distractions. Consistency is key. Regularly dedicating time to creativity will help you develop your skills and keep your creative muscles strong. So, mga kaibigan, those are the steps to tap into your creative and unique perspective. Start today and see the difference it makes in your life and career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep shining, mga kaibigan. Bye for now!